Hi, my name is Hyan Khan. I'm the founder of SharePoint Implemented, and today I want to tell you about our intranet in a box and why we think this is the product for choice if you're thinking of implementing a SharePoint intranet. An intranet journey can be a challenging one. It's one thing to implement default SharePoint, it's quite another thing to have a successful intranet deployment. Our product makes this process simple. There are several challenges a company can face while implementing an intranet. A company typically lacks SharePoint expertise, has limited funding, overburdened resources, and wants a quick deployment. Once they get started, they realize that SharePoint doesn't really offer a starter intranet site. Its branding typically needs customization. SharePoint has a very open architecture and thus confusing the initial deployment. There's really no out-of-the-box training for your end users or power users. And SharePoint locks a lot of common widgets for an intranet. Once you really start to get into the details of SharePoint, you start to find out other things that can make the project really costly and sometimes a failure. Intranet in a box takes care of everything. It's a solution. It's a turnkey solution that lets you get a fully deployed intranet in about 2 weeks with 20 hours of consulting including training. All of this at an affordable price. We feel there are many reasons to have SharePoint Implemented's Intranet in a Box as your product of choice for implementing SharePoint Intranet. That site template includes global top navigation, cross-site collection and cross-web applications, roll-ups of announcement and calendars, a cross-site collections and cross-web applications, an employee directory solution, reminder for upcoming anniversaries and birthdays, random tip of the day, weather, CEO message, and rotatable top banner. We have several other templates like departments and projects that give you even more information and other widgets that really increase collaboration, like integration with MS Project, ways to track hours and tasks for a project, visualize goals, and have custom left navigations. We also accommodate complex layouts. We include 20 hours of consulting and training. We have several web parts that we've found are the most requested ones in a basic intranet. We have a simple 3-step process. We first architect and build using our automated generation of SharePoint intranet. Then we brand and configure, and we train so you can start using the intranet. All of this at an affordable price. And the best thing is that you get source code delivered with this, unlimited company use. Yes, the source code goes with you. It's just like having a custom software company develop this for you. Our software runs on Foundation, which is the free version of SharePoint, or on the paid version of SharePoint. So you don't need to necessarily have expensive licensing if you didn't want to commit to that. So find out if Intranet in a Box is right for you. Call us and we'll show you and walk you through a demo or access our demo live at http://sharepointimplemented.com. Thanks and have a great